How to change private account to public on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change private account to public on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, you can head over to your profile that is on the top left. Tap on your Bitmoji. Now, first thing that you'll need to know is that there is no actual private mode or private account that you can create on Snapchat. The only thing that you can do is you can tweak your privacy settings so that your account is less visible to others. So now to make your account public, what you'll have to do is again tweak those settings. For that, head over to the setting icon on the top right corner, scroll down, and after you scroll down, you should find your privacy settings. So for your privacy settings, scroll down and there you will see privacy controls. Under there, you should see my location. Now, if you've turned on ghost mode, turn that off. And yeah, now for location, if you want your location to be seen, you can just tap on OK for this. Now, this will turn on your location. The other thing that you can do is unblock users if you have blocked any one of them. After that, what you can do is you can just tap on contact me. Here you can just make sure that other people can contact you as well. After doing that, you can see me in friends. You can just toggle this button on as well, and after you do that, you should see activity indicator. If you want that, you can turn that on as well. The other things that you can do is you can also make sure that your account is available on other people's quick add. And yeah, those are the basic settings that you can tweak to just make yourself more public. And yeah, that is basically all for this video, guys. That is how you can change your private account to public on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.